Hello guys, good evening. There is Suhail Khalid Pinjari. Today I am discuss on the topic SCP in Java. So let's start. So what is SCP? SCP stand for string constant pool, or it is also stands for string literal pool. So in previous video I discussed about the memory location in Java. There are 5 different locations to store a different memories or different object in a different memories. So in that we see the heap memory. The SCP is a part of heap memory, and SCP is SCP is created for the storage of string objects. So in that SCP we only store the non-homogeneous object, means only store a single object, does not store multiple or same objects in SCP. In SCP we only store the different objects. If we store in SCP, like for example I create a string s1 is equals to Epstein. At that time this is a Epstein object is created first time. At that time this object stored in SCP, but after it I create a string s2, and in that we write a same object, means Epstein. At that time this Epstein object does not create in SCP, but the first object's reference value goes to the S2, and S2 point to this Epstein. So this is SCP concept. Or if we all know about object memory or object store in heap memory, when we create any object, this object stores and this only object takes place in a heap memory. But if we create a string object, at that time the string object stores in SCP. But string made by two types or two ways. First one is a very simple create string name s1, string variable name s1 s2, or object what are you want to give in string. So second way for making a string is we write string and we give name s1 s2 or anything, or is equals to we write new string, or after it we give a object like Epstein for example. At that time here we use new keyword, and we all know about it. If in Java we use new keyword, at that time new keyword is used in Java for making a new object. Then at that time if we create a string by the second method or by the second way, there are two objects created. First object is created in SCP, and after it for this SCP object reference, the second object same object is created in our heap memory, and this object points and this S1 points our heap memory object. But the object is created in SCP. JVM is point out this object, and JVM create a internal reference variable for this particular object. So we all know about if our object or for any variable does not point out our heap memory object, at that time this object goes in garbage collector or this object will be deleted. But in the case of SCP, here is a totally different. In SCP, garbage collector is not allowed, or garbage collector does not delete the SCP object. Because of that, the reason is because JVM internally refers this object, and that's why garbage collector does not able to delete this SCP object, and this object is created for our future use. So with a new string, with a new keyword, if we write or create a string, at that time maximum two or more less than two variables or two objects are created. But if we create a string without new keyword or simply string, we create a simple string with a simple string keyword, at that time maximum only one object is created in SCP, or less than one means zero object and no one object created. Because that, for example, if I write a string s1 is equals to Hebshine, at that time the object Hebshine object is stored in SCP. But if I write a string s2 is equals to Hebshine, at that time the object will be same. Then our JVM goes and check in a SCP object is present. If object is present, and then it does not create another similar object in SCP, but it's point out the s2 variable or s2 reference variable. And this process is very useful, because if we create a string with a new keyword, at that time two objects are created in heap memory or our memory area, or this is and hence our program is very heavy, or our program is goes in slow down. And if we create string object with a simple string method or with a simple string keyword, at that time only one object is created, and our program does not go to slow down, because of there is a memory consumed by this simple string keyword. It's less than the new, then we create with new keyword string. So this is SCP, and if we create a string with a new keyword, for example, if we write string s1 is equals to new string Hebshine, and after we write string s2 is equals to new string Hebshine, at that time there are s1 creates two objects, separate object or Hebshine. In one is in heap memory and second one is in SCP. But the s2 string, which is also use same object, but its reference variable is different. At that time in a heap memory, one similar object that is Epstein is also created by JVM for the second time, and here is our object memory. Our object occupy more memory, hence SCP is created in Java, or SCP is developed by Java developer. Okay, that's all about SCP. Thank you.